Andy, can I get a... Aston's looking good there, Adrian. Did I burn your front end? I'm very sorry. Funny, the guys in Car Throttle Casino polishing that. Squeaky clean, jockey boy. So guys, we've just landed at the Max Power reunion show. We're at the British Motor Museum with the Petrolheadonism team. We've got the UK Hot Cars and the Dip Monkey cars with us. Even Simon's joined us from BTCC Styling. We've just got here, the weather's awesome, and it's time to get the cars clean, and hopefully it's a good day.
Ed Nebworth, get yourselves down there. We bring Gas Monkey Garage to the Dip Monkey Garage. Oh, Richard Rollins loves that action. We've also got Tavarish coming in from America. We've got Shmi 150 with 8 of his amazing cars. We've got a full lineup. Helen Stanley, Anne Partridge, Calvin's Car Diary, Ratarossa, Adam C all coming in from Petrolheadonism Live. Check it out at the Petrolheadonism World merch. That's me, enough talking. Let's see the flames. Dan, light it up. Monkey Raj, what is the build on this? Dan, tell us about the build.
Right, so this is the Dip Monkey Mustang, and it's a Need for Speed hot pursuit inspired 4.6 in the manifold, and yeah, it's got the world's hottest exhaust system.
Definitely hot, firing it up at the British Motor Show where they're all expecting us there. We took Petrolheadonism and everybody with us, our family, Max Power Class as well, to the British Motor Show. We lit up Hall 5 and literally they're having us back bigger, badder, faster and louder next year. Dan, you ready for an encore? Guys, you ready for an encore? Yeah. Oh, Dan can't hear you. Are you ready for an encore? There you go. It was built for this show. Come a long way, and it's Rose from Isle of Wight with the XR2i over there. Rose, where are you? There you go. Oh yeah, I remember you moaning this morning. Like you should have been. Tell us about your experience getting yourself here.
Well, this car, she has dragged her heels all the way here, all the way. An hour before getting on the boat, because I've come from the Isle of Wight. Had to take the thermostat out because she was overheating.
Elliot from Auto Finesse has got your Auto Finesse bag for you. And make sure you get over to see him for a sticker for the car as well. Thank you very much, Rose, well done. Petrolheadonism, there he is, in his element, very good.
Nice drum roll, Mr. Don. So I just thought I'd let you all know, well, firstly I want to start off and thank Mark for basically putting all this together, because the decision that I've made wouldn't have been without this man and all you guys coming here today. So with the interest that we've had coming back, you know, to the whole Max Power scene. I'm leaving Rolls Royce, and basically Charisma is starting again. Brand new modified promo car.
So guys, good morning from the British Motor Museum. It's right behind us. It's day 2. We're at the Max Power reunion. Weather's good. It's just gone a little bit cloudy, but the sun's been out. It's lovely, and we've got all the UK hot cars and Dip Monkey cars set up. I'll take you for a little walk down the line up now. We've got Sheriff Sally, Ricky's here in the R34, Jack's got the Skyline 350 GT, Andy's got the Rocket Bunny Beamer, the E46 looking fantastic. Kyle's got the Skoda Fabia Monte Carlo looking really cool. Theo's got a brand new car and he couldn't get his insurance sorted in time, so it's not here, but you'll see more about that online. So he's had to come in his brand new Arteon, which is a shame. We've got Carl here, he's in the Mark IV Golf, looking really cool. We've got Brandon in with his Scooby Boost Fiesta, with a whole fully custom Scooby-Doo engine bay that we did a couple of weeks ago. You might have seen that online. And then we've got a real treat. So basically Brandon's come down and then his dad's with him. So we've got the Aston as well. And then Ben's down here with us with the Heartbroken Mito. So guys, this is day 2 of the Max Power reunion. So far looking so good. Might be doing a bit of flames later, don't know. But so far, and the cars rolling in today, we've seen some of the best Cosworth Renault 5s. It's just really like taking a step back in time, which is pretty cool. So we'll try and get a bit more footage and show you what's going on for the rest of the day. Good morning, monkeys.
the sound off in 4 minutes. We're going to take a little trip down memory lane. Put it up again. Are you ready?
Now we may not have the sound as well as the folks who are here. So, is the focus still loudest, ladies and gents? Can't hear you. Is the focus still the loudest? No! So just down the garage with Mustang selling the speed Mustang. Not quite the sounds against the Focus RS, but definitely the flames. Thank you very much, Dan. Hope you enjoyed that, ladies and gents. Coming around behind us to this build over here.
Sorry, you get it.
What have you got there?
Special tokens for the machine. I bet you guys are pretty tired. A long day. Well done. Nice one, thank you.
Team out of 5 minutes, auto finish, proudly sponsoring the show.